When one of your customers wants to change their email address, reset their password, or do something else, they'll typically receive an email that looks like this or like this. It's not aligned with your brand image and frankly looks unprofessional. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to change these email templates so they look more on brand, increase trust, and help your customers connect with your image. Now, this is obviously only necessary if you've already set up a database and you have users that can log into your web app with their email address. Once you've got that all set up, let's come into authentication, and at the bottom, we'll see email. Let's open this and we can see we can edit the email templates. Now we've got 6 options: confirm sign up, invite user, magic link, change email address, reset password, and re-authentication. Now let's look into the reset password. Here we can see the source HTML and we can see how it looks when the users receive this as an email. So there are 2 ways that we can edit this. First is we can prompt the agent itself to create HTML for the template, or we can use resources from the web. We're going to go through both. Now, the easiest way to stay on brand with this is we can come into source. We're going to copy this code so it has the confirmation URL curly brackets copied. Now, let's come over to our agent and we're going to prompt it. Help me create a new reset email template, which uses my brand image. Include my logo, fonts, and colors where possible. It should be simple and get the job done. Make sure it's written in HTML. And here is a very basic example of how to implement the URL. I'll paste that code. Please provide the HTML here as one complete code block. Pop it over into plan mode so it doesn't make any changes to our project. We can see that the agent is finished and it's created the HTML code. So let's copy this, jump over into our authentication, change our email template, reset password, paste the new code, and let's preview it. And here we go. It's taken our logo. It's also used brand colors. We can see the green, and it's got the reset password button. So now let's test it out. Save changes, publish the app. Let's do a password reset. Here we go. Looks like it worked. Now, if we hit reset password, fantastic. It's brought us in and we're ready to set our new password. 6. Update password. Now let's log out, log back in, put our new password. And there we go, working. Now, if you've already got a template in mind or you want to use an external resource, I'll show you how to do that now. Here is an example, React email. I've got a bunch of components that you can look at. We'll start off with the header. I quite like the look of this one. So let's go to the code, make sure we're on HTML, and we're going to copy it. Now, if we're just doing one component, it's fine to directly paste this in here. However, if we're doing multiple components from here, notice that they have doc type and HTML. Now, it's not good to do this twice in one email template. So I'm going to condense these all together. To do this, I'm going to open up an LLM such as Gemini, and I'm going to paste that code we copied. Let's come back into React Bits, and here we go. Let's choose this link component. Going to copy this, add this at the bottom. Now let's find a footer. I quite like the look of this. Code, copy, and paste this into Gemini. Now let's prompt it. I have pasted 3 components, which I will use as an email template in my app. I've noticed it shows doc type and other unnecessary elements 3 times when this can just be condensed into one. Please provide full code combining all of these together. Here is the password reset link I would like you to use. Let's come back into the project. We'll make sure that we copy this correctly. Confirmation URL between the 2 curly brackets. And let's paste this in here. It's condensed the code, so we're going to copy this, come back into our project, and let's paste this here. 106 lines of code. Let's make sure that we have a confirmation URL, which I can see. We've got it twice, actually, and let's see how the preview looks. It looks good. Reset your password, and we've got a nice button to reset the password. We've got the header, and we've got the footer. Let's save these changes. Now let's test it out. Sign in with email, forgot password, send reset link. Here's our reset password link. And there we go. The one that we just created. And there we go, guys. Well done. In this video, you've learned how to change your email templates so that they're more in line with your brand image and you can establish your customers' trust. I hope you've enjoyed. Don't forget to change all 6 of them, and we'll see you on the next video.